Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be installing my ARP head studs and my GTI's block here, and essentially all you need is basically all the stuff that they give you, which is the studs, the washers, the ARP fastener assembly lubricant, and if you need them, the instructions that are right here. And basically all this says is to screw the studs into the block hand tight only, and you want this fastener assembly lubricant to be on both ends of the stud, and you don't necessarily have to when installing the studs themselves, but I'm going to go ahead and follow this bolt pattern that you typically would with just about anything. And also this little 4mm Allen wrench. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and start putting them in my block here, and let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll try to cover anything that needs to be covered. Here I go. Alright, so I've now got all the studs in here with the ARP fastener assembly lubricant over there, just hand tightened like it says you're supposed to on the instruction manual. But yeah, now I'm going to put my head gasket on, then put my cylinder head on, and make sure that there's no binding or misalignment here. But if you want to be extra cautious with this, you can take something like a straight edge here. Just throw it on top of the studs there and make sure that they're all level and torqued to the same height and things of that sort if you wanted to. I already did that with mine, so I'm good to go in that regard. But yeah, so that's the install for the ARP head studs. The only other thing that you would really need to do after this is, like I said, put your head gasket and cylinder head on there, make sure there's no binding or anything, and also you would torque down the bolts that come with it to 80 foot-pounds in a 3-step sequence. So maybe like 30, 60, 80, 40, 60, 80, something like that, with the washers and the bolts there, or the nuts there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and get back into my build.